Hello friends, welcome all of you. Now today's topic is that production technology of guava. Botanical name Pisidium gajava, then family Martaceaceae, chromosome number 22, origin tropical America. It is also known as Peru. Then common name guava, it is a apple of tropics and poor man's apple. Then economic importance. The fruit is good source of vitamin C, that is 299 milligram per 100 gram. Then pectin, calcium and phosphorus. And second point, the fruits are also used for preparation of processed products like jam, jellies and nectar. Then third one, guava jelly is very popular for its attractive purplish red color, then pleasant taste and its aroma. Last one, leaves of the guava are used for curing diarrhea and also for dyeing and tanning purpose. Then climate. Guava, it is a tropical and subtropical fruit crop. That's why it requires tropical temperature. Then second point, young plants are susceptible to drought and cold conditions. Then third one, it requires rainfall 750 to 950 millimeter per year. High temperature at the time of fruit development, it causes fruit drop. Then third point, soil. It requires well drained, deep loamy, friable soils for the best cultivation of guava. Then second, it can be grown in wide range of heavy soil. Then in sandy soil. Then third point, soil pH should be 4.0 to 7.5. Then last point, avoid waterlogged conditions and it can cause the root rot. Propagation, it is propagated by two methods. First one, asexual method, that is guava, it is commercially propagated by the vegetative methods. First one, tongue layering, then ear layering and grafting. These are the most popular propagating methods of the guava. Then next method, sexual method, it is propagated by seed. It is very quick and easy method but gives lot of variations. That's why it is not followed in guava. Then planting season and time. Planting of the guava should be done in rainy season in the month of June to September. Then at the time of land preparation, land should be ploughed, then leveled and add 50 tons carload of FOM per hectare. Then planting of the guava in pit size should be 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. The pits are filled with mixture of fertile soil, then well decomposed FOM, dried leaves, 2 kg SSP and 50 gram 10% carbaryl powder. Then planting of guava should be done at 6 by 6 meter distance. After planting, plant should be given support of the bamboo stick. The next point, manuring. In first year, add small dose of 20 to 50 gram nitrogen per plant for the quick and better growth. 1 year old tree, add 20 kg FIM and 125 gram nitrogen per tree. Fertilizer doses should be increased with the age of tree. After 4 years, add 100 kg of FIM per plant. Add 600 to 300 NPK gram per tree. Last point, full dose of FIM, phosphorus and potassium and half dose of nitrogen is given at the time of Bahar treatment because it produces the more number of fruiting. Then remaining half dose of nitrogen is given after 1 to 1.5 months after the Bahar treatment. for fruit development. Then irrigation. After planting, orchard is irrigated on first and third day. Then next point, after these up to 2 months age, irrigate the orchard at 10 days interval. Then irrigation should be given at an interval of 10 to 15 days in winter season, but in summer season it requires 4 to 6 days interval for the irrigation. Then varieties. There are most popular varieties of the guava. In that first one, Sardar. Sardar, it is also known as L49. It is evaluated at Division of Horticulture, Agriculture College, Pune. It is a prolific bearer, then horizontal growing medium size plant. It produces large fruit, spherical in shape, greenish yellow in color, with a milky white sweet pulp and rough surface. It is very popular in Pune, in AP. Yield is 25,000 kg per hectare. Then Kotrud. Then third variety Nashik. Then fourth one Dharwar. Fifth one Lalit. Lalit variety of guava. It produces red flushed fruits which are suitable for making jelly. Developed at a CISH, Central Institute for Subtropical Horticulture. Then 6th point Shweta. 7th one apple color. Then Allahabad Sapeda. Then Chittidar. Chittidar, because this variety produces fruits with red and pinkish spots on the fruit surface. Then 10th point Hafsi. Then last one seedless varieties, Saharanpur seedless, then Behad seedless, Behad coconut, then Nagpur seedless. Then intercultural operations, staking at the earlier stage, because to protect the plants from strong wind, also frost. Then second one weeding, it should be done with the help of weeding hook or the spraying of weedicides, atrazine or the simazine. Then pruning of old and diseased branches. Then fourth point, pruning of the flowers up to 4 years from planting. Then intercrops like berseem and lucerne will be taken for first 2 to 3 years. Then bending, it is a important cultural operation in a guava. Bending means bringing the erect growing branches to the horizontal level for easy movement of the oxygen throughout the branch is known as bending. Then harvesting of the guava fruits within 5 months after flowering. Harvest the fruits when color of fruits changes from dark green to pale green. Then hand picking of the ripened fruits 2 to 3 times a week. Then harvesting season, at least it requires 8 to 10 weeks. Then yield, it depends on variety to variety. Then soil type, also climatic requirements. Sardar variety produces 25 tons per hectare. Then local trees of guava produces 10 to 15 tons per hectare.